Welcome to viaSocket, an AI-based workflow automation tool. With viaSocket, you can streamline your process, save time, and boost your productivity. viaSocket integrates with over 5,000 apps, enabling you to connect and automate your favorite tools effortlessly. Our intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes creating and managing workflows simple and user-friendly. With viaSocket, you can create an entire workflow using AI. Simply click on Ask AI in viaSocket's Flow Builder. Now, for example, let's say you want to send a message to your Slack team when a new campaign is created in Mailchimp. Just tell AI, and it will set it up for you. Now, let's say you also want to create a new record in Airtable, so just ask AI. Now you just need to authenticate every app once to complete configuration. This workflow will trigger every time when a new campaign is created in Mailchimp, and this flow will send data to Slack and create record in Airtable. Similar to these steps, you can add as many steps as you want using AI and create complex workflows with ease.